Shining Star TV.
Hey Shining Stars! Today we are going to be doing some restoration on some dolls. We are going to restore some other dolls, but those dolls actually have brushable hair, so we will be doing them in a part 2 because brushable hair on dolls takes a bit longer since we have to wash it, and these dolls don't need a hair wash. I just moved all the dolls to the side, and the first doll we will be restoring is this doll. She is the 2018 Little Sounds doll. I already have this doll. My one is called Abby. Here she is. I think I'm going to customize this doll, and Abby will just stay the same because she looks really cute like this. So let's actually start restoring this doll. Let's get her ready for restoring. Here she is, and yes, she does work. Here, if I just do this. Here, let's make sure she is off. These dolls actually only have a try me button and an on button, and she's just going to stay in the try me mode. So, the first thing we're going to do is use... She does not want to be cleaned clearly, but we're going to use these wipes to clean her anyway. These are antibacterial wipes, so they should do an alright job at getting rid of all that dirt. These dolls' arms tend to get pretty dirty, so hopefully we can try and get some of that off. She is still a bit dirty, particularly on this arm, but apart from that, she looks pretty good. So now we're going to do the next doll, since she didn't really need much restoring. Of course I'm going to wash her dress as well, but I'm still getting onto that, so for now, let's just do the other dolls. I'm actually going to do this doll. She is the sweet and snuggly baby, I'm pretty sure. I also have this doll already. Okay, so here is my doll. Her name is Reese. It's a bit hard to see on camera, but I customised her, I gave her freckles this size, a bit customised. She also has this. I will explain this eventually, in the future. If you go on my TikTok and you go quite far back, you can probably see why she has this. But that's my doll, Reese. This is her doppelganger. Now these dolls, they're actually washable, so I'm probably going to put her in the wash. You have to put these dolls in a pillowcase and then you can wash them, so I'm going to do that, and she probably won't be back until part 2. So you'll see her then. Bye, Reese's doppelganger. The next doll is going to be this doll. She is the Shimmer and Splash Mermaid doll from 2019, I'm pretty sure. Here she is. Now, as you can see, she is missing an arm, but we can completely work with that. That's completely fine. So, what the main thing is we need to do is we need to try and get rid of this mark. There's a mark there on her face. This doll can actually go in water, so let's go and take her into the bathroom. I just ran the water, so now I am going to get her in. Here she is. There. Nice soak. Okay, so she's just drained out. So actually she looks pretty clean. Here, if you look at her face, that mark that was there is gone. Her arm is pretty clean apart from this, but that's pen, so that's going to be super hard to get off. and the rest of her is fine. This gap was quite dirty, but now it's not, so that's good. She has a bit of a mark there, but again, that's pen, so I can't get rid of that. Her hair is all good. So yeah, she is all good now. So I can just put her to the side and start on the last doll. Here is the last doll we need to restore. So I'm going to get her ready for the restoration. I'm going to unscrew the compartment on her back just to make sure there's nothing disgusting inside her, and so I can give her insides a bit of a wipe down, since there looks like to be a bit of dirt in there. So let me quickly just unscrew it. Okay, I've just gotten a screwdriver. The screw looks a bit sheared, so hopefully that won't make a difference. Oh no. It is sheared. We have a problem. Let me try another screwdriver. That one's too big. Nope. Sheared. That's a bit of a pain. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Oh no! It's very sheared. Quite severely. Oh, I'll be able to get a grip on it. Nope. Let me deal with this off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so instead of unscrewing her back, I just fed her water with soap. So hopefully she's clean enough now. But now I'm actually going to wipe her body. Again, I'm going to use the same wipes I used before. There we go. Here's a wipe. So let's start wiping her down. This time I'm going to do it off camera, since you've already seen the whole process once. Here is the doll after I've wiped her down. The only piece of dirt that was left is this right here. The rest of it has been removed, so that's good. Here is what all of the dolls look like once I've all cleaned them, and they look really good now, so that's good. And also that doll is still in the wash, so you're just gonna have to wait for her. I'm going to customize this one before I'm going to name her, but these two right here have a name, so I'm going to announce the names. This doll here is going to be called Violet, and this doll here is going to be called Apple Blossom, since that matches with my doll Cherry Blossom's name, who, if you didn't know, is just the black version of the same doll. Here are the dolls we've restored today. As you know, Reese, well the Reese, like the other Reese, here's my Reese, the other doll of the sweet and snuggly baby is going in the wash, so she won't be here from part 2. And here are the two dolls I'm going to restore in part 2. These two back here. This doll over here is the Baby Alive Happy Hungry Baby doll from 2019, and this doll over here is the Baby Alive Potty Dance doll from 2018. You'll see them in the next video, but for now, thanks for watching Shining Stars. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below which doll you're excited to see next, or if you've ever seen a custom of a doll, if you've ever done a custom before. Again, I am customizing this doll. I will make a video on that, but for now, bye Shining Stars!
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.